Can aloe vera soothe genital irritation?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a common household plant with a myriad of benefits, aloe vera. We'll specifically focus on its potential use for soothing genital irritation and itching. It's a subject that isn't discussed frequently but is quite important.
What is aloe vera?
Aloe vera is a plant species known for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. Its thick, green leaves contain a gel that's rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and has a strong anti-inflammatory effect. This gel has been used to soothe and heal different kinds of skin irritations, including burns, minor cuts, and dry skin.
Can aloe vera be used for genital itching?
Yes, it can. Aloe vera gel, due to its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, can be applied to alleviate genital itching or irritation. However, it's critical to note that the aloe vera gel should be 100% pure and free from additives and preservatives, which can sometimes cause further irritation.
How to use aloe vera for genital irritation?
To use aloe vera for genital itching or irritation, first, ensure that the area is clean. Then, apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel to the irritated area. You might feel immediate cooling and soothing relief. However, always remember to do a patch test first on a small area of skin to ensure you do not have an allergic reaction to the aloe vera gel.
When should you seek medical attention?
While aloe vera can help soothe irritation, it's important to know when to seek medical attention. If the irritation or itching is accompanied by other symptoms like unusual discharge, sores, burning sensation during urination, or if the irritation persists despite using aloe vera, please consult with a healthcare provider. These could be signs of a more serious condition, like an infection, that needs proper medical treatment. So there you have it. Aloe vera can indeed be used to soothe genital itching or irritation. However, remember it's not a substitute for medical treatment in the case of more serious conditions. Always ensure to use 100% pure aloe vera gel and to do a patch test first. Stay safe, and don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare provider if needed. We hope this video has been helpful.